in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your strawberry scrub at home. Strawberries are natural exfoliants which is essential in removing dead cells that make the upper surface of our skin. They are rich in vitamin C. It brightens the skin, it reduces the appearance of wrinkles, it lightens blemishes and acne scars. So to make this recipe, you will be needing strawberries powder. Here I have my strawberries powder. This is so hard right now. Look at this. I have my strawberries powder here. I have my granulated sugar, vitamin E oil, honey, fragrance, and my coconut oil, my melted coconut oil, almond oil, and I have my color here. This is color red. So let's get started in today's video. So the first thing we'll be doing, we'll need to pour our granulated sugar in an empty bowl. This is my granulated sugar. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons of my strawberries powder. Here I have my coconut oil. So I'll be mixing this together. All you have to do is to make this properly. Mix it properly. Here I have my almond oil. So don't mind me, I will have to use this spoon. So now we'll be measuring our vitamin E oil. This is new vitamin E oil. Sorry guys. 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil. That's a tablespoon, and this is the second tablespoon of vitamin E oil. So we'll mix this again. We'll mix this properly. We'll mix it properly, very well. So the next thing we need to do is to add our honey. This is my honey. I'll be adding my honey. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of my honey into this. 2 tablespoons. So guys, after doing this, all you have to do is to mix this properly. You can use any other thing to mix it, but I'll be using my spoon to mix this. This smells so nice. Smells nicely. Sorry, I'm doing this outside, so don't mind me. So So yeah, I have my color. The main reason why I will be using this red color is because I am using white strawberries, so I want it to look different. So yeah, I'll put just little quantity. I don't want it to be too red, so I'll just be needing just little of this. I think would this be enough? Let me add more to it depending on your desired color. So this is my color, so I'll be adding, this is my color, this is what it looks like. I added a little quantity of vitamin E oil to this, so I had to pause the video. So I'll be mixing this color in my scrub. So as you can see, I've poured the color in my scrub. So what I have to do next is to mix this scrub properly. I have to mix it properly. If you don't want your scrub to be like this, you can reduce the color, but I want mine to look like this. You can reduce the color. Depending on what you want. Look at this. Depending on what you want. Look at my scrub, my strawberry scrub. Look at it. So this is what it looks like. Look at it. It smells so nice. If you want this scrub to be a bit watery, you can add more coconut oil to this, vitamin E oil or almond oil to this. But I want mine to look exactly like this, so I really love this and it smells so nice. So guys, this is what my strawberry scrub looks like. Look at it. It looks so good and it looks so yummy. So guys, please don't eat this, though it looks fantabulous, but don't eat it.